Forcefield Weather Barrier System is designed to help builders build faster and more efficiently. This integrated WRB sheathing system for walls and sloped roofs helps to dry in your structure. With engineered wood panels and advanced accessories, Forcefield Weather Barrier System creates a smart, continuous barrier against moisture and air, saving you time and effort while maintaining structural performance. Here's how you can properly install the Forcefield Weather Barrier System on a roof. The Forcefield Weather Barrier System should only be used on sloped roofs with a 212 pitch or greater. When installing the panels, the gray-colored weather barrier side must be facing out. Install the panels so that the long direction, the 8-foot side, is perpendicular to the roof trusses or rafters and spans a minimum of 3 supports. The short edge, the 4-foot side of the panel, should be located over a rafter and staggered a minimum of 24 inches from the adjacent panels. Spacing of 1/8 inch between the panels should be maintained at all edges and end joints. Unsupported 7/16 inch panels spanning more than 16 inches on center require additional blocking, or H-clips may be installed midway between the panels. Forcefield panels should be fastened to the roof trusses or rafters per project specifications or local codes and must meet the following minimum requirements. Use a minimum of 8D common nails spaced 6 inches on center along panel edges and 12 inches on center at intermediate supports. Fasteners must be placed a minimum of 3/8 of an inch from all panel edges. If pneumatic nail guns are used, be sure to set air pressure to drive nail heads flush with the panel surface. Overdriven fasteners can create a potential point of entry for moisture and air leakage. Setting air pressure properly and use of a nail gun flush drive adapter can help ensure proper fastener installation. For best performance, immediate sealing of panel seam and joints with Forcefield Premium Tape is recommended. Prior to applying tape, ensure the surface is free from moisture, frost, dust, dirt, and other bond-inhibiting materials. Center the Forcefield Premium Tape over the roof panel seam and apply firm hand pressure. A J-roller may be used to help eliminate wrinkles and air bubbles. At T-joints and where tape splices occur, overlap a minimum of 2 inches. Sequence tape applications such that a shingle lap application is achieved. H-clips must be taped using Forcefield Premium Tape. Center the tape over the H-clip to ensure it is covered. Apply adequate pressure on all sides of the clip using your hand. Once your roof is dried in, you can get to the next steps of your project faster. For more information on Forcefield Weather Barrier System, please visit buildgp.com/Forcefield.